Hey guys, Jason here with Kingboxes. Today we're going to check out our new enclosure, Bolero style, 2.8. Check it out. So today we have the AK Bolero 2x8. It's a 2x8 enclosure for single cab Chevy trucks, Ford, Dodge, you name it. It's mostly universal. Has two 8-inch woofers, and each woofer has a port right next to it. The subs face towards each other. Now the good thing is with this enclosure, you have about 1.2 cubic feet per chamber. It's very sleek. It's very smooth. It fits in majority of all trucks, like we just said. And the terminal cups are on the side, so you can put speaker wire however you want it. Put the amp behind it. Now the beauty of this enclosure is not just that it's clean, it sounds good, but as pro audio is taking over our market, you're getting bass up here or down here, I mean, and then you can put our AK UNIV 4.6.5 and 2.35 up here, and boom, mids on the top, lows on the bottom. Hey, that's why Kingboxes. And if you're looking for the good lows, you get this enclosure with 2.8s. And if you're looking for some good highs, you get this enclosure to fill up your highs, and boom. Check us out at www.king-boxes.com.